A collection of poems titled Brittle, written by Riniki Chakravarty Marwein, was launched on 8th March 2023 at Dylan's Café, Shillong. Meghalaya's legendary musician Lou Majaw, who graced the occasion as the chief guest, released the book in the presence of editor of the Shillong Times, Patricia Mukhim, principal of Kiddies Corner Higher Secondary School Bryan Wallang, besides others. Riniki Marwein's debut work, Brittle, is a collection of poems around childhood and family, love, loss, and memory, and how she dealt with the challenges of the pandemic. The book launch was followed by an engaging discussion between Marwein and the audience on poetry, music, inspiration, and other subjects. Chief guest Lou Majaw, in his trademark denim shorts, leather wristbands, and mismatched socks, performed songs for the crowd that gathered during the launch. Local artist Reuben Lyngdoh also belted out his original Life's Always Good in Shillong Town. It may be informed that the collection of poems Brittle is currently available on all leading e-commerce platforms and in selected bookstores across the country. While praising the author, Majaw informed that he bought Marwein's book a month ago from an e-commerce site and said that the book is about the woman, the mother, and the wife.
I can't imagine writing a poetry book now. There's a lot of things happening and all that. But like I said, I got a lot of support from my husband because I had to stay up late, right? Because as a mother, when I was done with the chores and having made my kids sleep, I could come to and sat and sit in that in the office room at home and start writing. So I spent all my life in Shillong. I then went to School University to do my masters in mass comm and journalism. And then I got a job in Bombay and I worked there for the media industry for 4 years before I eventually left for Singapore. And I spent 15 years in Singapore, and my husband recently got transferred to Delhi. So we're going to be here for 3 years. It's just nice to be back home. And
You can tell us about the poetry book.
The book. So the book was written during the pandemic, and there was a lot of looking back because I couldn't come to India, to Meghalaya. I was very anxious, I was very worried about my parents and my siblings, and I tried to nurse that anxiety with a lot of reading, and I read a lot of poem books, and those poem books in fact gave me the permission to write my own book here. So this is my little triumph over the COVID.
And how many seas must the white dove sail before it sleeps in the sand? And how many times must a cannonball fly before the forever band? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. How many years can a mountain exist before it's washed to the sea? Guessing how many years can some people exist